Hello everyone. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add symbols or icons to your map or edit symbols or icons within your layer. So for this example, I'm going to be using the layer for Orlando landmarks. So I'm going to click on that layer and I'm going to go from General Layer Configuration to the Styles tab. And you can see that under the Styles tab, since this is a point type layer, then we have the option to change the icon, and right now it's just selected as none, which is the reason why on our map they just show up as dots. So you can click on a dot and it shows up which landmark it is. So if we want to change it, we just click where it says none, and we get this drop down with a bunch of different options, and we can just choose whatever icon we think best represents the feature we're changing on the map. In this case, since it's landmarks, I think that a camera would represent that well. And you can see that it auto loads onto the map once you select that. And then you have the option of changing the icon size to as small or as large as you want. And then you also have the option of clustering your points. And it's as easy as that.